Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create an API key using Binance. And make sure that when you're logging into Binance that you see up here that it says Binance.com, because there's a lot of fake websites that try to get your information out there. And then you want to put in your authenticator. Okay, so first thing is that here you're at the home screen. You want to go down here where it says API and then click enable. And then you can just name it whatever you want. For me, since I'm using it for the robot, so I like to call it CWE and create new. Now what you're going to do is that it's going to ask you for your Google Authenticator one more time. So let's put that in. Okay, so now they sent you an email, so please follow the instructions in the email. All you got to do is just basically go to the email that you already have registered with, go to Binance, and then confirm. Okay, see, API has been created. So basically this is the API key, right? Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go, if you're using a robot, you're gonna go to your robot, which is, alright, and since we're all ISPs, none of us are customers, hopefully. Okay, and then right here. Alrighty, so now what you wanna do is after you log in, go to your trading center, log in again. Alright, now you want to go to trading center one more time, and that's the actual trading center. Alright, we're going to go to API keys, and we're going to go to add API key. You're going to call it whatever you want. For me, I call it Binance, or better yet, Bin Master. Of course, you're going to select Binance. Now see the API key and the API secret. Now we already have those. They're already over here. This is the API keys right here. All you're going to do is just copy this API key, paste. You're going to go back, the secret, you're going to copy it, and paste. And all you're going to do is add API key. And after you do that, you click up here, refresh, and your Binance will be all set up. And after that, you're basically good to go. Now, the main thing that you want to do, especially when setting up API keys, is that of course you want it to have access to reading the platform, trading on the platform, but you never want it to have enable withdrawals, because this basically means that somebody can withdraw your money, and you definitely don't want that. So that is always never checked. Other than that, have a great day, guys.